you have a hand in this impeachment?
No, the executive cannot have a hand in the impeachment. Walang role ang executive sa impeachment. Of course, did we discuss it with the Speaker? Did we discuss it with the other congressman? Of course. And tinatanong, anong plano ninyo? Ano ba talagang gusto ninyong gawin? And that's it. Well, nandito na ito. Hindi na namin maiwasan.
But the conventional thinking, Mr. President, is that nothing comes to pass in the House without the President or without Malacanang's blessing.
Well, you give me too much credit.
Sir, may nagsampa na po ng impeachment complaint against Vice President Leni Robredo.
I won't allow. I won't.
Do you think, sir, may basehan po para ma-impeach nga po siya? What are your thoughts po?
Look, you know, we just had an election. Guys, lay off. Stop it. Can do other things, but do not tinker with the structure of government. I will not countenance it. Elected yung tao. So, why do you have to sit just because he keeps on harping on me? Yeah, this is democracy. It's freedom of speech.